Hi everybody! In this video I want to show you how to make quick chiburek, or I can call them dumplings if you want. But this is not dumplings because we make it from different dough which I already made before, and I will post write the link below how to make a dough for these things. So this is just fried meat, fried ground beef with onions wrapped in the dough. So I'll show you how to do that. I already prepared these ones, and let me do this fast. And I want to tell you that any filling you want to put inside, like a potato, I made a video for the potato as well, how to make mashed potato, how to make it taste better, and how to fill up potato here, and how to close it right. I made the video and I will write it below, the link to it. So, but now we're gonna make it with fried ground beef and onions. So I already fried the meat. For sure you have to fry the meat, because when you fry it, only your dough gonna be fried, but not meat. So before you fill up meat here, you need to fry it completely, make it very, very well done. How we're gonna do it, just close it this way, close it this way, as you see, close them like that. You see how they look now? Close them, and you can close them the same way how I show in potato video with mashed potato, this way, just pinch it like that. But before you pinch it, you have to make sure that you connect two sides of this dough very good, so the meat doesn't get out from here while frying. So here's this one ready, and this one I'm gonna close different way. And you need to make sure always that you make them flat like that, so all sides of the dough can be fried good. So this one I'm closing different way. I'm gonna roll this end. You see how I do it? Just close it like that. Can you see that? And you see how it looks like? Beautiful, right? So just make it flat, then give it a good shape, and you see how they look. When you fry them, they're gonna look same. And let me close the last one. Here I'm closing the same way. You see, make it flat like that. You see now? Good. So now what we're gonna do, I already prepared before 2 pieces as well. Here I'm gonna put them to fry. Our oil is ready. Your oil has to be very hot before you start frying it. So it's gonna be done in maybe 2 minutes. I'm not gonna turn off the camera because they're gonna be done very fast. And if you wanna take the extra oil from here, just put a napkin on your plate. So it can absorb the extra oil from it. And no, oil is not gonna go inside of it. Inside it's gonna be very delicious and soft. And after you make it done, if you make a lot of them, just cover the dish where you put them. For example, if you put them in a skillet or some big dish, just cover it with something, but not completely, so it doesn't make a steam inside, because it's gonna be ruined. Just close it and leave some place so air can get out from inside and go in. They're gonna get softer in that way. This one almost ready. The other side is ready. This one has some time. This one is done. You remember that I put ready fried beef. Never put anything fresh inside because it will not be done. And you see how small circles on the top, how it becomes fluffy? I didn't add baking soda in the dough. I didn't add yeast, no soda, nothing. Just flour, oil, salt, and water. But they look awesome. And it's very good breakfast for your kids in the morning with sweet tea. You also can serve it to your guests and also for your family for lunch and dinner. You can eat it anytime. And the dough you can save it in the fridge for 3-4 days. If you have extra, if you're tired and you don't want to make it anymore, you just wrap it in a bag. As you see here, I have it in a bag too. I just take it a little bit how much I want, and the rest I keep it in fridge for 3-4 days. It's gonna be good. This one is done. This one is done too. You see, from both sides they're very good, very fried. Good. So put it here. And do not go far because they're gonna burn very fast. The dough will be done very fast. Just put everything ready inside. Ground, fried meat. I use beef. If you like, you can use chicken, but I think the beef is better. And I always make it with mashed potato. So here you see what we made. How nice they look. I love them. You can eat it with sweet tea, drink it for the morning, for your kids, for the lunch, for the dinner, for any time. They're very awesome and very delicious, and it's with meat now. And if you want to see how I made it with mashed potato and how I made mashed potato taste better, watch my other videos and I will write the link below to them. So here they are. Thank you for watching this video and try to make it, and thank you.